Hi, welcome to my food web project. Before we start, I will explain what a food web and what a food chain is. A food chain is the path energy takes from the producers, consumers, and decomposers. For example, in this picture, the bunny eats the grass, the wolf eats the bunny, and once the wolf dies, it will get decomposed by the decomposers, which will eventually grow grass again. Next, I'll explain what a food web is. A food web is the interconnection of multiple food chains, meaning that the food web shows multiple animals that the predator eats inside of just one, like the food chain. If you look at this food web, it starts with the predator, which is the wolf. The wolf eats the pig, sheep, bunny, and chicken. The pig eats mushrooms, grass, and carrots. The sheep eats grass and carrots. The bunny eats the grass and carrots. The chicken eats the grass seed. Finally, once the wolf and the other animals die, it gets decomposed by the decomposers. Now it's time for me to show you my ecosystem and biome in Minecraft. A biome is a community of flora and fauna occupying a habitat. An example of this could be the tundra or the forest. My biome is a grassland. In case you were wondering, an ecosystem is a biological community that organisms interact in. In my biome, I have herbivores, omnivores, and a predator. Now I'm going to show you my food chain. A herbivore is an animal that eats only plants. In this chest, I have the food that my herbivores eat. The rabbits eat carrots. The sheep eat wheat and grass. I also have omnivores. An omnivore is an animal that eats both meat and plants. In this chest, I have the food for my omnivores. Chickens eat worms, insects, and leaves. Pigs eat carrots, potatoes, beetroots, and some meat. Last, my predator is a wolf. A predator is an animal that eats only other animals. The wolf eats the rabbit, chicken, sheep, and pigs. After the wolf is dead, it's time for the decomposers to decompose the remains of the wolf. The fungi helps them with this process. It is important that they decompose the remains so that it can help plants like grass regrow for the cycle to continue. These animals and plants that reside in my grassland create a sustainable biome. If anything was taken away from it, it would lead to disaster. Let's see what would happen if there were no predators in my biome. If one of these animals went extinct, then it would throw off the natural balance. This concludes my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye!